Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to pay your TD insurance online in 2025 without any hassle, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get a TD insurance code and apply completely online, right from your phone or computer. First, head over to tdinsurance.com. Once you're on the site, look for the button that says Get a Car Insurance Code. This is your starting point to get your insurance set up quickly. When you click on that button, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your province, your car details, and your driving history. Make sure you enter everything accurately, as it helps TD calculate the correct rates for you. Next, you'll fill out your personal details. This is where you input your name, date of birth, license information, and your vehicle's year, make, and model. Honesty is key here because any incorrect details could affect your premium. After that, it's time to customize your coverage. TD Insurance allows you to choose your coverage level, liability, collision, and comprehensive. You'll also see optional add-ons like roadside assistance or accident forgiveness. This is your chance to tailor the insurance to your needs. Once everything is filled out, you'll receive a real-time insurance code. If you're happy with the price, you can apply online instantly. You can even set up monthly payments or bundle with home insurance to unlock additional discounts. And that's it. You've successfully applied for TD car insurance online in 2025. Fast, simple, and completely digital. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart insurance tips that save you time and money.